Hey 50 fans, it's Regina at FiftyFlowers, and today we are unboxing some Solomios carnations. These are a really small flower and they are very similar to a carnation, but a very miniature version. So your box is going to come like this, and the flowers will be manned inside. You're going to open up your box and take this plastic wrap off and take off your rubber bands. So this is a spray flower, and what that means is they have multiple blooms on one stem. Some blooms are open more than others, and in time your blooms are all going to open up in a few days. So you're going to cut your stems at an angle. These come 10 stems to a bunch, and place them in your water and your flower food. You could clean this up a little bit if you wanted to use these in a spray, depending on what you're going to use them for. They don't have a lot of greenery, but I would clean them up a little bit. It's going to let your water go directly to the head of the flower. So some of your stems are going to have a really low bloom, and you might want to take that off. And you can wire these and always use them for another place in your event. Boutonnieres, corsages, things like that, set them aside. Even the buds sometimes, you might want to use some of those for different things. This little guy, I'd take him off and place him in your bouquet. Put him in another vase and set him aside. And then you have these cleaned up and ready to do garlands or bouquets. So now that these are processed, you're going to want to keep them in a nice cool place, but this is a very hardy flower. These are great for outdoor arrangements. After a few days, if you still have some buds on there, you can pop that bud right off, or you can just leave it on as greenery. It's kind of up to you, but these will fully open in a few days. One of the really great things about this flower is it comes in such a great variety of colors. And it also comes in a bicolor, so you can it's variegated with bright colors and creams and reds, and it's a beautiful flower. It's a great filler flower and comes in a lot of different colors. This is what to expect when ordering from FiftyFlowers. If you have any questions, our customer service is waiting to help you. I'm Regina from FiftyFlowers. Remember, it's your dream, made easy, no compromises.